good, everybody? It's your boy Churro, and welcome back to another episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats. We live from the East Coast, guys. And so today I want to talk about how you guys can keep your coins safe from hackers and have full control of your coins. And so throughout some of my videos, I've always mentioned how important it is to never guys leave your coins on exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. And I'm saying this because you do not have full control of your coins or ownership due to the fact that you are not given a private key. A private key ensures that you have full ownership and control of your money. And so you guys are probably wondering, where the hell should I store my coins? That is a good question, guys. And I also had to, ask the crypto gods the same question, and they have blessed me with this, guys. They blessed me with the Ledger cold wallet, guys. Here it is, guys. Look at this fire. Boom. And so you guys are probably wondering, how can this small thing right here give you full ownership and control of your coins? Well, I got you guys. I gotta give you guys the answer to this. It's crazy. What makes the Ledger very powerful is that you are given a private key that ensures that you have full ownership and control of your coins and your money, and also its online feature ensures that your coins are protected from hackers. So you're given a private key, right? But what is the point of having this physical thing right here? What is the point of having a physical wallet if someone could probably steal it? Someone could come up to you on the street and just run by and steal this from you. But there's a funny part to this, guys. So if someone steals this, they technically cannot break into your ledger. They cannot steal your coins because they do not have access to your private keys. And so make sure you guys have your private keys stored in a safe place so nobody could steal it, because if they have access to your private keys, then that means that they will be able to steal everything from you guys. So make sure you hide it in a really safe place. And in addition to all the features that I just mentioned, another great feature of the Ledger wallet is that you have access to the Ledger Live app, which can be downloaded onto your computer, onto your phone. And what is so cool about it, it's like a huge app where you have access to receive your coins, you can send coins, you could buy or sell, you could trade, you could lend, and you could also stake on it, which is really cool, guys. And more importantly, you could check the balance of your coins, of your wallet, guys, and that is really cool. So it's a one place stop where you have access to everything, guys. And for each thing that you guys do on the app, let's say for example sending someone some coins, some Bitcoin, right? It has to be verified. Each transaction that you guys do with the Ledger, it has to be verified from your Ledger cold wallet. So what you have to do is that you would have to press both of these buttons right here, if you guys can see right here. So you guys would have to press it in order for your transactions to go through. So anything that you do on the Ledger Live app, it first has to be verified on your Ledger cold wallet, which is this. And what you have to do is just press both these buttons in order for your transaction to go through. And my overall opinion about the Ledger hardware cold wallet is that it is amazing, guys. It's pretty cheap. Well, not that cheap. It's about 50-60 bucks for this small thing right here. But it's amazing to have because you do not want to store your coins on exchanges, guys. You do not want to leave your coins, especially if you have tons of coins worth tons of money, guys. Money is important. You must keep it safe. And so I recommend y'all, if you guys have so much money stored on exchanges, on their wallets, on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, KuCoin, make sure you guys cop one of these babies right here, because it'll save you. They'll save you from hackers. You have access to your private keys all in one, guys, right here. This small thing right here could save all your coins from being hacked, guys. And I think overall it's just amazing. This technology, it's bees. It's pretty small, right? It looks like a simple regular hardware stuff where you can store your information, but it's special, guys. This whole thing right here, it'll protect you, protect your coins, and it's amazing, guys. And guys, it's time for your boy to go. Let me know down in the comments about what you guys think about the Ledger wallet, or if you guys have any wallet suggestions, any other wallet suggestions, let me know down in the comments, because everybody gotta eat, guys, and that means keeping everybody's coins safe from hackers and having your own private keys, guys. It's all about control and ownership, guys. And so I hope you guys can like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats. And peace from the beast.